Kakatawa pala talaga ng puso kung may mga tao na natutuwa sa mga ginagawa mong video. So, eto nga, isa-share ko sa inyo ang video na kung saan nanalo ako sa isang challenge na Super Likes Challenge. So, ito yung video na ginawa ko. Yung inedit ko lang na naglalakad kami ng anak ko, tapos lumipat kami papunta ng UFO. Ito, panoorin nyo.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So we got our second winner for the Mega Super Like Challenge, y'all. So we about to check her content out and we're gonna reward her. Okay, this challenge was pretty difficult, y'all, but we got it done. I really appreciate everybody and everybody that participated with some really great content. I even was sending super likes to people's content that was really good, but it just wasn't gravitating for me. So this really caught my attention, y'all. So let's check it out, y'all. It's really short, but it's really, really good. It's funny. So let's check it out, y'all. This is the winner. Let's look at it again. This is really good. This is really good, y'all. Good vibes only. I love it, y'all. Keep up the great work. Let's reward her. Congratulations. Congratulations. Why did it just do that? There we go. Hey. Y'all, my page is going crazy. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for participating and look out for the next challenge, y'all. Bye.
O, di ba naka $3 ako doon? Di ba ang laki dito sa kabila? So, another opportunity para sa atin. Pwede natin i-upload ang ating mga reels doon. At saka easy lang dito ma-monetize kung makatanggap ka ng 5 super likes. And then yung 1 super likes nila ay $0.14 na. Or kung may invites ka na 15 person, makaka-monetize ka na din. Ang maganda pa dito ay pwede mo na i-withdraw kahit $5, 'di ba? Ang galing. Isa pang magandang features dito ay kung makapag-invite ka at active siya in 3 days ay makakuha ka ng isang 1 super likes, at kung active naman siya in 7 days, makakuha ka ng 2 super likes at another 2 super likes kung nakapag-invite siya. Download na! Ilalagay ko yung link sa comment section. Sa Waifu, happy earnings!